We have the intercept form of a quadratic function. F of x equals a times x minus p times x minus q. Now, the x-intercepts, it's called an intercept form, are going to be the p and the q. Remember, there are minuses in the formula already. Your axis of symmetry is found by taking p and q and adding them and then dividing by 2. So we are going to graph f of x equals negative a times x plus 1 times x minus 5. All right, first thing I noticed that is that a is a negative 1, and so that means my parabola is going to be upside down. All right, for my p to be a positive 1, and there was a minus in the formula, it had to start out as minus a negative 1 to make it positive 1. And then this would have to, the q would have to just be the 5 because the minus, remember, is in the problem. So let's write down p is a negative 1, q is 5, and those are my intercepts. So let's go over here. And this p being at negative 1, that would be negative 1, 0 when I graph, or negative 1 is right here on the x-axis. And then this would be 5, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the other x-intercept is where it's crossing that. All right, we said our axis of symmetry. Let's see, axis of symmetry equals negative 1 plus 5 divided by 2. Remember, you add them and divide by 2. So that's 4 over 2, which is 2. So my axis of symmetry is a dotted line where all the x's are 2. Okay, so we know that. We need to get our vertex now. So for the vertex, I take the axis of symmetry and I plug it into the equation. So f of 2 equals negative 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 minus 5. All right, so negative 3 times a negative 3. And a negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. So I have a point at 2, 9. So let's go find the 2, 9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 9 is right there. And remember, that is my vertex. So what I have is a parabola that looks something like this. If they ask me, well, what is the domain of my parabola? Well, since the arrows mean I can use any x at all, that will be all real numbers. And then as far as the range goes, range is how far the y's go, and the y's stop right here at this 9, and it's anything below this 9. They keep going this direction. So y is less than or equal to 9.